If you are holding Bitcoin right now, the next few hours are going to be very crucial for the Bitcoin price, because if you take a look into the charts right now, the Bitcoin price is literally on the verge of having a massive breakout inside the daily time frame charts, because right now we are trading at the apex or at the breakout point of this huge consolidation pattern we have spotted about a couple of days ago. And what's crazy is not many people are talking about this right now, and in this video you will be hearing my update on this one. So yeah, to begin, we are starting off inside the daily time frame charts, and then later on in the video we'll move to the longer time frames to discuss my long-term outlook. But here we are in the daily time frame for the Bitcoin price, and as you guys can see, I am using this opportunity to warn you guys, to inform you guys, to make you aware of the possible move we could be expecting in the next couple of hours, and that is that Bitcoin could have a massive breakout in the next couple of hours, because we are literally trading at the apex of this ascending triangle pattern. And again, if you are unaware, I have already mentioned the targets in my previous videos, but right now I will be reiterating them. So if we do see Bitcoin successfully have a break above this triangle right here, this resistance right here, if we break above this and flip it to support, that would be very, very bullish, first of all. And we could expect the Bitcoin price to pump to this general zone right here, to this general area, and that is at around $84,000. So from the price we're at right now, that's going to be about a 20% pump towards the upside. But if we do see Bitcoin have a break below this ascending triangle pattern right here, like so, we could expect Bitcoin to continue dumping towards the price target of around $58,000. So that is why I am again using this opportunity to give you a final warning that the Bitcoin price is literally on the verge of having a massive breakout. What's crazy is every YouTuber out there is not talking about this. I only know a few of them who are talking about this, but yes, everybody is completely unaware of this pattern, and I'm using this chance to inform you guys that we could be expecting extreme volatility in the next couple of days. And I want you guys to be cautious with your investments, with how you're investing right now, because a big move could catch you by surprise if you are not careful enough. So use this as a warning, and you can use this information on how you want to. You can use this information to position wisely and prepare for the possible upcoming move in the daily time frame for Bitcoin. But if we either go up or down, that doesn't change my long-term view, and that is why we're going to be talking about the long-term right now. I am still expecting the same thing for Bitcoin in the long term, and that is that I'm expecting Bitcoin to top off at around 150K in this cycle. I may be wrong, but personally in this channel, that is my target for the Bitcoin price in the long term in this bull cycle. I am expecting Bitcoin to have the blow off top at around the 150K level. Right over here, we have this red box over here. This is where I'm expecting Bitcoin to have a top and then start the next bear market. So again, we could top off at around 140K, 145K, or 150K. The point is, I'm expecting Bitcoin to have the cycle top or the blow off top right here at this general zone. I could be wrong, but that is my prediction and I stand by it. So that is why I'm thinking that right now the Bitcoin price is currently at the middle of its cycle. And yes, for Bitcoin, for you, if you're getting in right now, it may not be early for you anymore, but for altcoins, there is still an opportunity lying ahead, in my personal opinion. And right now, I see Bitcoin as that it's in the middle of its cycle, and we are about halfway complete in the cycle. And this is where we're usually going to be expecting euphoria. This is where the prices go absolutely parabolic. And that is why in the next couple of months, I'm expecting absolutely insane price action, because as you guys can see, if we do zoom out, you guys can see that the Bitcoin price for the past couple of months has been building up that momentum right here, and now we are literally inside something that looks like a parabola, and we're getting parabolic. And that is why in the next couple of weeks or months, I'm expecting big things for Bitcoin. And I'm definitely not getting out of the crypto market at this point, but I'm using this chance to position wisely and prepare for the next major move, because I believe that the next move for Bitcoin is going to melt faces, and I could be wrong, but that is what I'm expecting, and I stand by it. That is why in the long term, I am still expecting big things for Bitcoin, but in the short term, I want you guys to be aware that we're literally going to be having a breakout of this ascending triangle pattern. And either way, if you do break above or below, in the short term, the price action may be choppy, but in the long term, I'm still expecting big things for Bitcoin, and I'm expecting a parabolic move in the next couple of months. But at least now you know the targets for this ascending triangle that I have mentioned in the beginning of the video. So I would like to tell you guys we're approaching one of the biggest bull runs of our life, and if you are serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people, you need a network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market. And that can only be accessed in my private networking group over on Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you are not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act fast.